What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Infiniti QX80 remote key fob. This Infiniti QX80 key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and I'm going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we take a look at that space where that key just slid out of, if we take a close look in here, we can see there's a little notch right here, and there's another one just like it on this side. But that little notch is right between that black and gray plastic, so I'm just going to get my screwdriver in that notch like that, and then just pry up. And as I do that, you can see it starts to pop that back cover up. Go ahead and pull that back cover the rest of the way off. Then we see our battery right here. There's a little space right here that will allow you to get your screwdriver under that battery and get it out of that holder. Then I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first that's down here near this metal battery clip. So tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap the battery down into place. And then we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.